Hello, good morning. How are you? Fine, excellent. Today we are going to continue working in grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page number 79. Language. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives tell us to whom something belongs. The possessive adjectives are my, your, her, his, its, our, and their. Here we have a square, okay, so please pay attention. In this square we have pronouns and in this other the possessive adjectives. I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, they, their. Okay, and we have here some examples. My book, its book, his book, your book, her book, their book, our book. Okay? Okay, homework. Identify the possessive adjectives in each sentence. Circle it. Okay, number one. This is an example. My mother is pretty. Okay? Please continue working in the other sentences. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.